Hello students, hope you are enjoying your online classes. Yesterday I told you that I will upload this chapter's video in two parts. Yesterday I uploaded part 1 in which I told you the definition of pronoun and what we can use in place of a boy, girl, children, people, thing, animal, many things. Let's have a look at the last video of this chapter. And today I am going to upload or teach you in this video part 2 of this chapter. So just recall with the definition of the pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Pro plus noun. Pro is a Latin word which means for noun. Now I am going to teach you kinds of pronouns. Here we have personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun. These are all kinds of pronouns. But in your syllabus, you will learn about two kinds of pronouns, that is personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Rest types of pronouns you will study in your further classes, in your next classes. Let's start with personal pronoun. The pronouns I, me, you, we, him, his, her, she, they, them, it, he, us, etc. are called personal pronouns. Now we have three types of personal pronouns: first person, second person, third person. Let's have a look at first person. First person refers to the person speaking or the group that includes the speaker. Like I, me, my, we, us. I, me, my refer to singular speaker. We, us refer to plural speakers, like in group. Let's have some examples. I am not going outside. In this sentence, I is the first person pronoun. Let's have another example. We are going to watch a play. In this sentence, we, first person plural. Let's have another one. We have second person pronoun. Is the person or group being spoken directly to, like you and your. Let's have some examples. You must sweep the floor because it is dirty. In this sentence, you is the second person pronoun, like we are talking to someone else. Let's have another example. You should submit your assignments every day. In this sentence, you and your are second person pronouns. The speaker is talking to someone else. Let's have a look at third person pronoun. Is the person or thing being spoken about, like he, she, him, her, it, they, them. Let's understand with some examples. Is this your bag? It is very spacious. In this sentence, it refers to the thing being spoken about. Like third person जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about a bag. Let's have another example. They are old and hard-working farmers. They is third person pronoun. We are talking about someone else. Like in this sentence, we are talking about farmers. We are talking about third person. Let's understand with this table. Here we have 3 columns. In the first column, I have written person. In the second column, subject pronoun, and in the third column we have object pronoun. First we need to understand what is a subject. A person or thing that is being talked about, that is a subject. Again, a person or thing that is being talked about. Object. An object pronoun is not the subject of the sentence. It is very tricky to know the definition of object pronoun. I tell you with one example. Like Meena ate an ice cream. Meena ने ice cream खा ली. In this sentence, Meena is a subject who is speaking. So Meena is a girl. If we have to use pronoun in place of Meena, we will use she. Ate an ice cream. Ice cream is a thing, so we will use it. Here, it functions as an object pronoun. Mary ate an ice cream. If we will change the subject and object into the pronoun, I will say she ate it. In this sentence, she refers to subject pronoun and I refers to object pronoun. Now again come to this table. First person singular is I, and with I we use object pronoun as me. Now second person singular you. Object pronoun is as same as subject pronoun. Third person singular he, she, it. We use object pronoun like him, her, it. Now we will come to the first person plural. Plural, more than one. Subject pronoun is we and object pronoun is us. Second person plural, you. Object pronoun is you. You can be second person singular and second person plural both. Now we have third person plural, they, and object is them. Learn this table, this is very important. Now we will study about possessive pronoun. Possessive means this is mine, मेरा है. Pronouns that show possession. Let's see the meaning of possession. Like state of having something. Like you are an owner of something. जो चीज़ सिर्फ आपकी है. That is possession. Pronouns that show possession are called possessive pronoun. They can stand alone. Like with I, we use mine. With you, yours. He, his. She, hers. It, its. We, ours. They, theirs. Like this blue bicycle is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. This phone is yours. Yours is possessive pronoun. To understand it better, just watch both the videos and then solve the exercise. You will learn the whole chapter. Thank you.